Nestled amidst the lush, tropical landscape, Jaque Studio's tropical house is a testament to sustainable design and harmonious living. The home's unique approach leverages the natural features of the site, including a central spring, towering trees, and a distinctive topography. The L-shaped layout, designed for a single level, maximizes the breathtaking views of the surrounding jungle and the tranquil body of water. To embrace the tropical climate, the house incorporates a narrow section for optimal natural light and cross-ventilation in every space. Even the bathrooms in each of the 4 bedrooms are open-air patios, offering a truly immersive experience. The main hallway, serving as both a connector and a living area, evokes the charm of Mexican haciendas and country houses. High ceilings throughout the house create cooler interiors and expansive views of the exterior. Sustainability is a core principle of Tropical House. The home is entirely self-sufficient, generating its energy through solar panels and batteries, treating wastewater with a wetland system, and utilizing the site's water resources efficiently. Moreover, 77% of the property is preserved with existing trees and vegetation. Local construction materials, such as limestone and wood, are used to blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Wood, in particular, is celebrated as the material of the 21st century, offering renewable properties, a lower carbon footprint, and ideal physical characteristics for the region's climate. Tropical House is more than just a dwelling, it's a sanctuary that extends into the landscape. The home's design captures the beauty of its natural setting, while its materials and finishes create a harmonious connection with the environment. Each space offers an opportunity for relaxation, disconnection, and enjoyment, inviting residents to experience the true essence of tropical living. Thank you for watching this video about Tropical House by Jaque Studio. I hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and sustainable home. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching.